My favorite bread is the sourdough bread. There are so many videos out there on bread, just on sourdough bread, one kind of bread alone, sourdough. There must be hundreds and hundreds of videos out there. My favorite bread is the sourdough bread, the real sourdough bread. There's nothing like sourdough bread. And the crust and the chew, nothing like it. If I like it, I'm going to make a video of it and I'm going to share it. Or maybe it's not just bread, it could be donuts, bagels, soft pretzels, anything that is related to bread, and it comes out really good and it's easy to learn, easy to teach. Well, I'm going to make a video of it and I'm going to put it on this channel. I certainly invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this one.